Out there in YouTube land, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Glasses. I'm gonna get that, I promise. Or I'm either gonna switch the angle in which I sit and do my videos. So, anyway, I want to get on here really quickly because I got a couple of items that I wanted to share with you guys, especially since I'm not really making candles right now. I still want to do things that are candle related, of course. If you read on my community tab, I recently placed an order. It's not everything that I wanted to get, but it is several things that I wanted to get so that I can make some wax melts the way that I wanted to make them. So I'm waiting on some supplies so that I can at least do some making on this channel. um, for those of you who are here, I'm sure that that's the purpose. I mean, that's my channel, but like I said, it's just been a struggle. Um, I honestly haven't ever seen a channel thus far where people weren't already good at stuff. So I feel like this truly is a beginner's channel. Um, Now I won't say that I'm ultra beginner, like just started today because I have been trying for quite some time. If you can see behind me, obviously there's candle stuff all behind me, all around me, because that's the purpose of this room. But I also have some tester jars back there, so I've been trying. Now, have I perfected it? No. So again, this is like a video diary about my journey, how I got from, where I started to hopefully where I'm going. But enough of that. Anyway, thank you for being here. If you are a subscriber, I definitely, truly, 100% appreciate you. Thank you for believing in me or showing interest in my content thus far. I do hope to continue to grow and make things better as I go. Bars. But then also, if you haven't, please do consider liking and subscribing, and leave any comments that you have below. So let's get started on the purpose of this video today. So like I stated, I do have some candle related things I want to discuss. I purchased a couple of things that recently got here that I wanted to go over with you guys. So let's get that started. You all heard of Norden Candle Supply? Norden. I'll have them link in the description box. So this is something new that will definitely be helpful to candle makers. Let me find the opening. I think it's right here. Got it. Got it. Don't got it. Okay, here's the box. Open it. Trying to make sure that I don't show the address label. Oh, neat. I love these suppliers. They do such great things. So here's their card. Norden Candle Supply. It says, thank you for your order. Our small business wouldn't be the same without customers like you. We hope you love your order and would appreciate it if you would leave us a review. So, thank you. Am I doing that right? Yeah, I know I'm new. Well, let's look inside. So the card was here. Can you guys see that? Okay. Card was here. Giant Smarties. Who loves Smarties? Oh, y'all love free gifts. So this. Okay, so this is purple. I don't know if you guys can tell. And purple is my favorite color. So here is the tool. That's what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to show you the purpose of that in just a moment. Okay, so you need, of course, when you have a candle, you need your candle. So here's a candle here. And then your wick clip, snip, snip. My daughter, she comes in here all the time. Snip, snip. That's funny. And then you have your device here. Let me look up exactly what they're calling it. One moment. Okay, it is called the wick trimming spacer. And basically what you would do is you would put this on top of your candle and it would sit like that. Your wick will come through here, of course, and then you cut it. And this helps you get it to the proper proper cutting. I don't know what to call it. So, okay, so I'll do this. So you're supposed to trim your wicks to about 1/4 of an inch, right? So this helps you get them to that same 1/4 of an inch or whatever option you're choosing, because some people have like wick trimmers that are really really thick, and so then you have to make concession for that. So if you have a thick wick trimmer or whatever you're cutting with, you'll have to make, because they have like right now I think they have 3 different sizes. So then you have to make sure that this and this together will equal the degree that you're trying to get to. So if you're trying to get to 1/4 of an inch, which is the recommended length of the wick before you burn it. So that's the goal. So here's a candle. Put it on there. Hold on just a second. As you see, it's burned already. See? So I had to lift it up a little so I can get this in here. There we go. There we go. And again, it just sits right on top. You don't have to press it in or anything. Can you see that? And you see the wick, the tip of the wick coming through. So then what you do, wick clips, you go in like that. I don't know if I can see that. Okay. You go in and you trim your wick. Boop. And it gets it right to the diameter that you want. You take it out and there's your wick. That way you can get it there. You can have a uniform cut on all of your on all of your candles. So that's what that is for. I recently got that, so I thought that would be super helpful. So say for instance you don't have like, oh, I'm gonna have to clean it now because it burned the wick. Say for instance you don't have a wick trimmer. Excuse me. Some people use scissors, and they just snip it. Some people, I've seen people use little like pliers, I guess, where they, excuse me, where they just clip the wick. So however you cut it, this is just the official tool to use. But who says that's the way it has to go? I thought about doing a tool video too. So like I said, just thinking of some things that I can do for my subscribers in the midst of why I'm not making currently. Just because I'm super, super busy. I didn't expect to be this busy with life and everything. But I feel like people understand life be life. And now, next for the next item that I have is here. This is from Midwest Fragrance Company. They're awesome. I've gotten several things from them. So So that's cool. I'm just gonna turn this over so you guys can't see my address. To show you the inside of the box. Okay. I'll give you your receipt, your invoice, and they have a fragrance oil care card. If you guys can see that. I can't see if you. There you go. Fragrance oil care card. Midwest Fragrance Company. Very, very nice. And they said, "Hey, maker, let's talk about ways the cold winter months can affect fragrance oil." Are you guys aware of that? I will read it really quickly. So this is your oil might have arrived with some crystallization in the bottom of your oil bottle. In the bottom of your oil bottle, and if it looks kind of chunky. Okay, so don't worry, it's fixable. Place your bottle of oil tightly capped and not fully submerged in a 90-degree Fahrenheit bowl of water. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Then pull out of water and shake the oil. Repeat until no crystals remain. Let your new oil warm up to room temperature. When cold, fragrances can be harder to smell. Let it rewarm back up before judging the out of the bottle smell. Good tips. So, if you didn't know that, now you know. And so this is a new product from Midwest that I was trying to try. Don't ask. So here it goes. Midwest Fragrance Company lotion base with natural moisturizer. It's super cool. It's the original base. It's dye-free, phthalate free, paraben free. The recommended fragrance load is 1 to 3%. But of course, always check the IFRA certificate to see the amounts that are the amount that what is it, the maximum amount allowed for your fragrance. So that's what that's for. We're gonna open this up so you guys can see. Gonna do the YouTube tab. Not just YouTube content tab. Alright, so let's open it. Okay. I'm doing this, guys, with you. Doing this with you guys. Doing this. And scene. Back to business. So, can you guys see that? It looks so creamy. It's on my hand. That's the consistency. Right there. That's so creamy. And of course you all know that if you use any body products, you have to make sure that the fragrance oil is skin safe. So that's another reason to check the IFRA. Because not every fragrance, even if it's like non-toxic, so to speak, may not be skin safe. So you always want to check the IFRA certificate for the fragrance you want to use. The number one, see if the well, hold on. So no, what you want to do is check you can also check the website of the supplier to see if the fragrance that you want to use is skin safe. A lot of them now are stating that on the descriptions of their fragrances. Then you go to the IFRA to check and see the max load that is allowed for that particular use that you are trying to use it for. And it'll also tell you if it's not. So definitely always do that. So I'm excited. Another thing. So I recently got this fragrance. I have been hearing about it and seeing it all this time. And I was like, I don't know. You know, when you're on the fence about something, you're just not sure. What is this piece of hair doing? Just behave. Thank you. So I was curious. So this is also from Midwest, which is perfect. I think this is what I'm going to turn the lotion into. Again, I have to check the IFRA. I want to say it is. I think I already did. Yeah, I think I already did, but I'm gonna double check, of course, before I do it. So this is what I would like to use. Let me put it that way, because I don't remember if I checked or not. But anyway, who has smelled cocoa butter cashmere? Again, this is from Midwest. I'm not sure why I chose them. um, because they had it and I went to it and it smells divine. Oh my god. Oh my god. This smells amazing. It smells so good. I can't stop. It smells so good, and I believe this will smell amazing in that lotion. Again, I have not checked enough to be sure. I should have before I got on this video, but the cocoa butter cashmere and the lotion base, I think would be chef's kiss. I think. Now, if I'm wrong, then I have to find another fragrance to try it with. But it will smell so good. But even if not, I'm going to make wax melts. Definitely. Definitely. Well, it says for use in wax and bath and body products, but I have to see how much. So obviously it can be used, but I have to check the infra to see um, how much, what the percentage is that I can put in the lotion. And I'm excited. I'm so excited. Super cool. Super, super cool. You guys don't even know. All right. So that is the end of my video. Where did I go blank? That is the end of my video for today. Um, if you liked anything that I showed, or if you have any questions, definitely leave those in the comment below. In the comment section below, I will definitely leave the link to both of these wonderful companies. I do want to say that I am not an affiliate. I haven't made it there yet. These were just which, again, even if you were an affiliate, sorry, this is a tangent real quick. It doesn't hurt the customer at all. It doesn't cost you anything. It basically just helps you support your um it's another way besides watching their videos. It's another way to support your content creator, the person that you're choosing to watch. So hopefully one day, I will say, hopefully one day I do get some affiliate links because that would be super cool. But these are not. I'm not endorsed by them. This was purchased by my own money. No one sent me anything yet. But believe me, when that starts to happen, when it starts to happen, I'm gonna tell you guys, and I'm gonna be so excited. But so yeah, this is just my personal opinion. And even when I do get affiliate links, it's gonna be stuff that I truly use, or even if something's given to me or sent to me, I'm gonna give my honest opinion. I'm not gonna just say it's good just because. So because just like me, when I was only watching, you trust these people, and you don't want to believe that anybody's just taking advantage of you. Again, that doesn't mean that everybody likes what you like. So you can love something and someone goes to get it and they hate it. So it's still, at the end of the day, it still just depends on you. But I definitely will be giving honest reviews and opinions when that day comes. But in this instance, those are purchased just for me, but I will put links in the description box to those companies if you would like to purchase. Again, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.